Welcome back to Man on the Beach. Nina has come down to the shoreline on an ebb tide, and so we have rock pools and an interesting scene. Here you go, Nina.
So we're looking at a rocky intertidal zone here, and the most beautiful thing is that the water here is shallow and clear, so you can see right through it. It was just described as a mini rainforest, which I think is very apt. And we see all these different species of algae, also known as seaweed. We've got the green ones, which are actively photosynthesizing here under the clouds, and the brown ones, which I like to call rockweed, and they are floating with little gas bladders to keep them at the surface so they can photosynthesize, which is really just a process of turning sunlight into sugar. And then out here on the rock we've got an animal, barnacles, closed up against the air, but they're ready for the tide to come back. And they're little shrimp, actually, that glue their heads down onto the rock. And then when the water comes, they'll stick out their feathery feet. And they're called suspension feeders because they'll grab the suspended detritus and eat that. What I think this intertidal zone gives us the chance to do is notice the strangeness of life that sometimes gets a little too normal. If you think about plants and animals and how simple that system is, it just breaks down here. Take seaweed. It doesn't fit in our system at all. We've got this system we're taught in biology class: plants, animals, fungus, bacteria, and then something called protists, which kind of means we don't know. And the seaweed just doesn't fit. It's none of those. It's a colony of single-celled photosynthetic organisms. It's also a single multicellular organism. And it's not unique to seaweed. Everything is weirder than we notice at first. And it's that much more beautiful when you notice that it's hard to categorize.
There we go. Thanks a lot. Cheers, bye.